In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use card with Apple Pay. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You have the ability to manage all cards attached to Apple Pay by opening up the Wallet app on your phone or on your watch. So before you start, open up the Wallet app on your phone, and in there you will be able to tap the plus sign at the top right corner of the screen. When you tap the plus sign, you will get various options to add to your wallet. In there, you have to select Add Debit or Credit Card, as you can see on the bottom. When you select Add Debit or Credit Card, you will be able to either scan your card or input the details manually. As long as you include valid and legitimate information from a debit or credit card, you will be able to add it to your Apple Wallet and use it with Apple Pay. You can manage all cards attached to your wallet. You can select one to be your default card to make payments with, and as long as all the cards are attached to your wallet, the next time you buy something, if you see the Apple Pay logo or button, you will be able to select that option and pay using your default card inside of Apple Pay. You will be immediately redirected to your Apple Wallet, and you will be able to select from the cards that you have attached to your account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a card with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.